Developers and IT staff usually ensure functionality in favor of security. Configurations done at the application level, server level, and other devices need to be in line with the security requirements. Most of the security requirements get missed unless identified by hackers. Example of these security misconfigurations are directory listing, which is available on many of the websites, default error messages, default passwords, weak passwords, default scripts, etc. Let us see an example here of an error that has been thrown to a user on a web server. It obviously tells us that this application is using Microsoft Access. Another example obviously tells us that the application is using Oracle database. Some of the tips on how to protect ourselves from security misconfigurations is to always follow a hardening process for both hardware and applications. Ensure that default settings such as default passwords are changed. Only install the required features and frameworks on a server, and make it a habit to review the security of your configurations at regular intervals.